friends, Mimi here. Today I'm going to show you two new yoga poses, Vriksasana and Trigonasana. So let's begin. Vriksasana. Vriksha means tree and Asana means pose. Stand in Tadasana. Bend your right knee and now place your right foot high up on your left thigh. Your sole should be placed flat and firmly near your inner thigh, like this. Find your balance and take a deep breath. And bring your palms closer to your chest in Namaste Mudra, like this. Hold the pose for 15 to 20 seconds. Now, exhale slowly, gently bringing your hands down by your sides. Gently bring down your right leg as well and return to Tadasana. Now, repeat the pose on the other side. Now, let's do Trigonasana. Trikon means triangle and Asana means pose. Stand in Tadasana. Maintain a distance between your legs like this. Stretch your arms sideways in line with the shoulders and palms facing downwards. Now, turn your right foot outwards like this and left foot little bit inwards. Now, inhale deeply and as you exhale, bend your body to the right. Raise your left hand straight up and extend your right hand down towards the floor. Keep both arms in a straight line. Turn your head to the left, eyes gazing at the left palm. Stay in the pose for 20 to 30 seconds. Now, as you inhale, come up, bringing your arms down by your sides. And now, straighten your feet. Repeat the pose on the other side. Friends, yoga seemed difficult at first, but with daily practice, you can learn anything. Namaste. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.